Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you conversion how to send conversion to Google Ads account, how to import this conversion into Google Ads account. So to do that, let's go to the Google Ads account and click on the tools and setting, then click on conversion, then here new conversion action, click on new conversion action, then here you can see lots of options. You have to click on the import option, Google Analytics, Salesforce, offline lead conversion, fluent sales, import data from. I will import data from Google Analytics. So here select what you want to import. I want to import Google Analytics 4 properties, app or web, and I wanna select web because I am sending from web. Just click on continue, and then you can see there are the analytics event and the property name. So I have added three account. So in the previous video I showed you from look good ga4 account. So I will select this analytics event, and then import and continue. Click on import and continue, and you will see it has been imported. You have imported 4 web conversion action from Google Analytics ga4. Import next step. Just read this and done. Click on done. So now you can see this. Scroll. You can see here purchase from look good and other to website, add to cart, begin checkout, and other. So this conversion action, here you can see the status, no recent conversion, because I have not run any ads. When any routes will be run from this account and when the data will receive, then here the conversion will receive. Here the conversion is add to cart. When somebody click on add to cart, the conversion will receive here, and it will only receive when you run ads, Google Ads, and from other sources it will not receive. Only through Google Ads the data receives here. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me to set up all this ga4 server-side tracking, Facebook API conversion, enhance ecommerce tracking, Google Ads tracking, conversion tracking, everything I will set up. Thank you so much.